how to make Instagram 6 pics to end December 8 yours story. First you need to simply tap on plus your story. Now tap on the templates which will show at the top left corner of the screen. Now here you need to simply scroll down below, so here you will find the trending templates, so you need to simply swipe finger to the left side, and here you notice that it displays 6 pics to end December. You need to simply tap on this one. Now here it shows that 6 different picture frames, so you need to simply upload 6 pictures from your gallery. So I want to just upload randomly 6 different pictures from my gallery. I have just captured boxes in a solid color, so you can also pick the pictures, but right now I want to just make it with simple colors. After that you need to simply tap on check mark, and you notice that story is now created. So now I want to just upload my Instagram story, so simply go to the Instagram story section. So here you notice that I have successfully created 6 pics to end December 8 yours. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.